We can finally see the sun after 10 days, I think. It's clear, finally the sky is clear. And I couldn't miss this opportunity, so I'm going to the CTC hill. I made a video on that before this as well, and also I'm looking like a decent boy today because of this t-shirt. And anyway, I'm gonna cut the middle part. Like I'm walking on the streets, I'm gonna cut that part because the noise, it's too much, the vehicles and everything. So I'll directly tune in again when I'm at the hill, or if there's something else. Oh, my mask, shit. Yeah, so I'll tune in again. So the first pickup stop, as always, is my friend Tushar, and as always he's late yet again, so I'm gonna wait for him at the bus stop and then we'll leave from here. This bus stop is very special to us because yeah, when we were in school we used to always hang out over here, and yes, take the name of the devil appears. Anyway, he's here, so we're gonna leave for CTC now. Define bad luck. We reached the hill, no more sunlight, and it started raining. Fuck. It's still drizzling a little bit, but it's not too much. I just want my phone and my mic to be safe. Duke ta. So I thought it's been raining for so long and the ripple monster will be created because of that, but even the normal streams have almost dried up, so I think I won't be posting this vlog. So if you're watching this vlog, then we have found the ripple monster. If you're not watching, I mean if I've not posted this, then yeah, obviously the other option. We have reached that spot, and yeah, I've removed my mask because I actually wanted to breathe properly on this open hill. There's no one over here. There's literally, apart from us, there's no one else over here. So those buildings that you can see, they have been like that for I think around 8 to 10 years now. No one is finishing the construction, and there's a big story behind that. I cannot be sure. I'm just gonna tell you what I've heard. So apparently it was illegal to start construction over here, but still people started that off. The builders and everyone, they started it off. As it's an army area, the army people, I think they objected to it, and from that time these buildings have just been over here like this. These buildings might just fall down someday, which is very risky, but they have been standing still for 8 to 10 years, so I cannot say when is that gonna happen. I'm like 20 feet away. Hey. Sort. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, and all my viewers, I present to you the ripple monster. This is one of my favorite spots, and we come over here every year in monsoon. As this fills up, then we play our game, that is the ripple monster, which I'm going to show you, but in some time. We'll take a tour over here, a small tour. There are too many goats and sheep over here, like too many. one herd is that side and one is like behind us. So we're gonna get overrun by them if we don't move from here. So we're just changing our direction. We are going to the other side, but I can see a lot of goats and sheep over there as well. So I don't know where we're gonna sit now. But I'll just ask them nicely, Goat Babu, please move away. They should listen. If they don't, then well, I'll just kick one off the cliff. Just kidding, I'll never do that. Baap re baap. You will fall. What are you doing? Kidhar? Okay, I am the modern generation Jesus. Move away, people. Move. Yo.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What? Yo, bro. Oh shit. Sit. I'm not doing anything. Oh man. Damn it. Yes. Good sheep. Go. Keep going. Go. Follow my orders. Go. Go. Finally. Okay, so now the second batch is coming in, and damn it. So we got kicked off from the hill because apparently today it was not allowed, and we couldn't play the Ripple Monster game. Also, a goat tried to attack me, and now we are walking back home, and it's again sunny, so there's sweat everywhere. Talk about how bad a day can go. I'm gonna end this vlog over here itself, but also if you guys want to watch something else, as in, so before we left the hill, before we got kicked off from there, I recorded an entire clip talking about the game rules, about the Ripple Monster game. I spoke a lot about it, and we were just about to start the game, and then we got kicked off. So if you want to watch that clip, it's like a blooper, not exactly a blooper, but we got canned horribly. So if you guys want to watch that, keep watching because I've put that clip in the ending. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys in my next vlog soon. Bye. Okay, so I think we can play the game finally. But before we begin, I'll tell you the rules of the game. Rule number 1, the basics. We have to decide who goes first. Second rule, you have to pick up stones which are equal in size. Like your opponent cannot have bigger stones than you, or you cannot have bigger stones than he's carrying. So stones are supposed to be even in size. They don't have to be accurate because that's not possible, just judgment wise. And the final game, like what the game is about. So the stones that you have, you go one by one, you stand behind somewhere over there, you come running, you throw the stone as high as you can, and when it drops over there, the stone which creates the biggest ripple is the Ripple Monster. Yes, that's the game. Are you ready? I am the Ripple Monster previous years because I created Triple Monster, right? Triple Ripple. I created a Triple Ripple Monster. So that means when I threw a stone, it apparently broke mid-air, right? It broke mid-air and it fell at 3 different spots, and there were three giant ripples, and that is how I won. So let's see who's gonna win this year. I'll win. Who can win? Solid.